In front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner to hit settings in the pop-up and manage all of those under alarms however you want to. Then go back and use this plus icon at the bottom in the middle to create new alarm. Firstly, set up an hour, then hit OK and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my new alarm was successfully added. Now it's time to adjust it however you want to. At the top you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. To change an hour, click on it and adjust it. Hit OK to save it. And to turn on or off your alarm, use this switcher right next to it. You can also choose this plus icon next to pause alarm to exclude days of the week, specific dates, and save them by hitting OK. Remove them by using remove button right next to them. Then tap on this bell icon, choose dismiss in the pop-up or download one of those sound platforms. If you want to use one of them, click on it at the top and log in. You can also select sounds, hit add new, tap on files, hit just once or always. Pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it and go back. You can always use one of those sounds as well. Just scroll, click on the best one and go back again. Now use this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback, and this one next to Google Assistant routine to add this alarm to your previously established routine. Over here, if you don't have any, you can set it up here or tap on maybe later. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To make them visible, tap on it again. To get rid of your alarm completely, tap on delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!